What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Watts because they got a Nike outlet here. It's been one of my favorites for a while. Let's go check it out. Nike community store in Watts. I think that's technically what it's called. It is an outlet though. Let's go. Some of the outlets have been doing extra 20% off entire purchase. I don't see it here. Dang it. But they do have 20% off the clearance section. Also got refurbished stuff, so maybe find something dope. Alright, gonna start off in the smaller section. I think I'm in the size 8, but they do have a size 9.5 right here. $1.20 for dunks. Dunk lows going for 20% off. Pretty dope. We're starting to see more and more of that. Pretty fire to be able to get it for retail or 20% off. Size 8, we got Kyrie low 5s going for 70 bucks. Was that $56 after the discount? Not too shabby. Kyrie low 5s. Zoom Freak 4s go for 75. That's a 9.5. Pegasus Trail 3 size 9. Gently Worn go for 70. Blazer low size 9 go for $43. Gently Worn look clean. They do look clean. People have told me, oh yeah, they actually clean them up. That's why they look clean. Like we've seen ones where they don't clean anything. Like we've seen ones that are just dirty as hell. But yeah, man, not bad. For $43 you do get 20 off on top. That's hella cheap. Air Max 97s, 100 bucks for these. We're in the size 10 apparently, but they got size 9.5 right here. 100 bucks for these. For 80 after the discount. That Baltimore Ravens, Pegasus 38 Gently Worn go for $65. Damn, that's cheap. Size 10 Jordan 1 mids go for $1.25. 70 for these. LeBron 19 lows, $70. Witness 5 size 10.5 go for $50. So what is that, 40 bucks after a discount? Jordan 1 mid inside out or the craft go for $135. Do these the streak flies size 11 go for $80. Do got Air Force 1 low retros. This is the one with the nicer leather instead of just the regular all white. $150 though. Well, at least you get the 20 off, $30 off, so $120. In the size 11, slightly imperfect Zoom Fly 5s go for 80 bucks. Next to the Zoom Freak 3s go for 60. Those are Gently Worn. Bears Pegasus 38s go for $65. Are seeing a ton of these in a bunch of different sizes. Do get 20 off? That's not shabby. Jordan 37s. Do you get the full box? Is that the white cement colorway? Okay. Size 12 49ers. Pegasus right here go for 65. Do you got white Huarache size 11? Price unknown. Max 97s 140. Couple of Jordans right there. I'm assuming those are the white cement colorway again. Just brought these out. Jordan 11 lows 185 to be able to get 25% or 20% off of that. That is fire. Yeah, I didn't get these for retail, but 20% off, definitely a little more worth it. I'm not getting these because these aren't my size, but still not bad. Not bad. Starting to see better stuff at the outlets, especially with that 20% off. Too bad they don't have the 20 and 20 here. They got a size 12 right there as well. Okay, size 14 Blazers right here go for 60. Got the Jordan 1 mid as well. 15 Max Auras go for 80. We got some Vaporfly Next percent 2s go for $1.25. Another one of these go for $230 though. Damn. And our Dope Scene J's, not the craziest selection though. All right, let's look around the aisle, see what's up here. All right, do got a bunch of Team Jordans. Comfort 11s going for $95. This is $99.97 right there. It's also $95. So I'd also see if you can get 20% off of that, because I'm pretty sure the 97s you can get an extra 20% off because it is on clearance technically. But yeah, a bunch of Team J's that not too many people are interested in. Do got the Zions here. Decent price. Didn't we see these for cheaper just a little while ago? I don't know, but I'm a fan of the Zion 2s. Westbrook Take 1s. I'd rather get the Zion 2s than that. Witness 6s, Team Bank colorway, black ones right here. We got this colorway, black and white. Another one of those. Soldier 14s. The omnipresent Soldier 14s pretty much at every outlet. All the time since the day of release pretty much. KD Tray 5.9s. I believe the 10s are out now. You got a trio of those. Zoom Free 4s. Extra bright colorway. Immortality 2s. Got one of those and another one right here. Cosmic Unities. Another one on the other side right here. Pegasus Trail 3s. We got a trio. Last one right here. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Got a trio of these. Now they're doing everything in 3s here. Pegasus 39s. Got several colorways of these. 39, 37, 37. I don't think there's that much change between 37, 38, 39s. Another couple 39s. Like I said, the upper's slightly different. I don't think the technology's changed much, so just grab whatever you can for the cheapest price. Shout out to the homie Kenny. Talk for a minute. He's been supporting my channel for a while. 2019. Holy cow! It's been freaking over almost 4 years. Holy cow! It's been almost 4 years. Look what they have here. This is stuff that I missed. Midnight Navy 4s? Really? As well as the 5s right here, but that is hella surprising. They had 20% off until yesterday. I don't think they have it anymore. Homegirl Anita let me know yesterday they had these and they had 20% off. The sale is over now. Man, but she picked these up for 20% off. That is fire. That is fire. Like, these are nice, dude. These are nice. I didn't get them because I have so many 4s. I just have so many. Do I really need 20 pairs of 4s? Like, I think I'm up to like 19, 20 pairs, something like that. But yeah, I just got way too many. And like, I have the military black. I have like all this stuff, so it's like close enough. So yeah, I didn't get those, but that is fire. Definitely fire. Would have been even more awesome if they had them in with 20% off. But yeah, they got multiple sizes of these too. I will throw it on a short. That is a size 10. I'll throw it on my short because I know people are after these. Dude got some Blazer mids, Air Flight 89s, Air Force One Reacts, Air Force One mid quick strikes, and we've seen both of these go down in price a lot. Then we got some more Air Forces right here. All right, I'm gonna work on a short. Hope you guys are following my shorts. The military 4s, that's a dope find. So are the Jordan 11 lows for 20% off. Pretty fire. I don't see any additional clearance in the clothing section, but we still got to check because that's what we do. Got some burger shirts. What the heck are these burger shirts? Let's go. Nike burger? Soul food. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Yeah, no, I'm good on that. Wait, let's check the price. Oh, my bad. $22 for that. Got some hoodies here. Let's check out the hoodies. $40 for this. This is a large. Been seeing these a lot more. Is this an SB? Nike SB? It's like a work shirt or something. But it's like pretty thick. So do you wear it over your clothes? I don't know. It's $70 for that. That is a large. Oh, this is kind of like the hoodie but it's way thin. But yeah, $60 for that. Normally $90? What's so special about that hoodie? It's like thin as heck. Gators jacket here. Go for $70. Normally $100. This is XL. I guess a pullover? Is that what it is? Another one right here. Different design. $65. Normally $68. Okay, what is this? Is this a Brooklyn Dodgers? I always mess stuff up, especially when it comes to baseball. I don't watch baseball, guys. I do not follow baseball, but I always mess things up. I think this is a Brooklyn Dodgers one, right? I think I messed one up in the last video. People are like, what the hell? What's wrong with this fool? But yeah, $220 for this. My bad, I don't watch baseball, man. This is a small. Does it come with the shirt too? What the hell? Did someone just... I don't know. But yeah, that's regular price. It's a nice jacket though. All right, not seeing anything too crazy. Prices aren't even that great either. Not the time for apparel. Not at this store, at least. Not at this store, because other stores might have different deals. They might have more stuff. I don't know. But not this weekend, $115, especially since there's no extra discounts right now. All right, let's go check out the women's section, see what they got up in this mug. Size 9 right here. Dude got some Jordans, Jordan 5. I don't know what colorway this is, but yeah, dude got the Jordan 5s that are suede and got some stuff imprinted on them. Yeah, 180, you get that 20 off. Got a couple pair of the 9s right here. Or size 9, that is. Dude got Air Max 97, slightly imperfect, go for $90. Size is a size 10. Pegasus Shields, go for 65, size 9. Pegasus 38, gently worn, $60. Size 8.5. Air Force One mids, never seen these before. $120 for those. And this is 7.5 section. This is 6.5 though. $130 for Air Max 90s. Oh dang, they just literally have no size 8s. I guess that's a very common size for women. Phantom React Flyknit 2s go for 70. Infinity Run React Flyknit 3s down to $80. Okay. Air Max 97s go for $88. Remember, you get 20% off all this. That's size 7.5. Vaporfly Next Percent, so $125. Invincible Run Flyknit 2s, gently worn, go for 90. That is a size 7. And they got these in the smaller section, size 6.5. All right, let's check out the aisles in the women's. I think they only have, what, 2 aisles? Pegasus 37s, Pegasus 39s right here. A lot of running shoes with the 7s, more 37s. Pegasus Trail 3s. The Renew Ride, under their budget. Like, it looks the same as the React, but I think these are a hell of a lot harder. Okay. Waffle Racer Craters. Daybreaks. Got Blazer mids. Blazer lows. Air Force One all whites. Platforms. Shadows. Air Force Ones. Another Air Force One Shadow. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. 3rd gen right here. Another Infinity Run Flyknit 2. Air Max 2090. Got a couple of those. Air Max 2021s. I haven't seen anybody get excited about these. Air unit. Definitely huge. Air Max 2017s. Got a couple of them. Vapor Max 2021s. Air Max 2070s. Another one right there. And that's pretty much about it. Yeah, the clothing thing kind of disappointing, to be really honest. That's the store right there. Yeah, I think they're getting more and more clothes. That's what I've heard about some of the Nike outlets. I hope they get a lot more stuff because we need some discounts on this stuff. The price is kind of high too, so hopefully we see some of that go down. But I think that's, oh, they got the USA shirts too. I want one of those, but I need the price to go down. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna drop this off to one of my boys in a bit. Did grab one of these. I don't think I talked about it too much, but yeah, I did grab one of these. I meant to do a review, but man, just so busy with life lately, was not able to do a review of these. Oh, I didn't notice that, like a cracked leather on top. Does have that symbol. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know exactly what that symbol is. I know it has something to do with the Japanese thing, because it even has like a picture and stuff in the inside. Comes with extra laces, man. There's like animation like inside, or like a picture of anime inside. Like, they really did their thing on these. But yeah, I'm gonna drop this off to one of the boys, and I'm gonna give it to him. I'm not gonna charge him because he's helped me out with all kinds of stuff. So yeah, let's go. And then I'm gonna return the Jordan 2s that I did get at Jumpman LA. I'm gonna return those bad boys, and hopefully I have time to go to Jumpman LA. I want to return it there because, man, like, them fools did us dirty by not releasing those Jordan 4 SBs. They freaking released it later on during the day, even though we waited a couple hours, and there's only a couple of us, so it's not like there was big commotion. Nah, forget you guys. I'm returning that. Jordan 1 low retros. This is the one with the nicer military blue. What's this right here? What's this size? 10. Slightly imperfect. Everybody's 97. Go for 10 up.